Here is the modified text. Tired of playing on a wobbly, uneven pool table that ruins your game? Well, you're in luck. After testing countless pool tables, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 best pool tables of 2024. Whether you're a casual player or a serious pool shark, these tables offer the perfect blend of quality, durability, and style. So, if you're ready to upgrade your game room and impress your friends, stay tuned. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end to find the perfect table for you. And don't forget, all the purchase links are in the description. Let's begin. The American legend. Brookdale 90-inch billiard table is a real gem for anyone looking to add a touch of class and fun to their home. First off, the large 90-inch playing surface is perfect for competitive gameplay, giving you plenty of room to practice your shots and enjoy a game with friends or family. The rustic wood finish with iron turnbuckle accents adds a classic vintage charm that fits beautifully in any room. The navy blue polyester cloth not only looks stunning, but also provides a smooth playing surface. Setting up the table is a breeze thanks to the adjustable feet and leg levelers that ensure a perfectly even playing surface, even on uneven floors. Plus, it comes with all the necessary accessories: 2 cues, a set of balls, a triangle, a brush, and chalk. Everything you need to start playing right away. The pool sticks are a bit lightweight, which might not be ideal for everyone. You might find yourself wanting to upgrade them eventually. The balls are decent, but not of the highest quality, and the pockets can be a bit tight, sometimes causing double bounces. These are minor issues, but worth mentioning. One thing to be cautious about is the shipping. Some users have reported damage during delivery, which can be quite frustrating, but there's a reason why it's so popular. If you get a table in good condition, the overall experience is very satisfying. In terms of value for money, the Brookdale table is quite affordable compared to slate table, making it a great option for recreational players who want a stylish and functional pool table without breaking the bank. It's not suitable for professional or heavy-duty use, but for casual play, it's fantastic. Overall, the American legend Brookdale 90-inch billiard table offers a great blend of style, functionality, and affordability. Just be prepared for some potential shipping issues and consider upgrading the accessories over time. You can check out the link in the description for more details and to see if this table is the right fit for you. Alright, let's jump into the portable billiards table by GoSports. If you've ever had trouble finding a pool table that fits into a smaller space without sacrificing gameplay, this could be the answer you've been searching for. First off, the compact and portable design is a game changer. It's ideal for those who lack a dedicated game room but still want to enjoy a good game of pool. The table is simple to set up, and its foldable design means you can easily store it away when not in use. This feature is particularly useful for apartments or offices where space is limited. Now, let's discuss the gameplay experience. The table boasts a sturdy steel frame and a high-quality felt surface, ensuring smooth and consistent ball roll. The regulation-sized balls and cue sticks contribute to the authentic feel of the game. The cue sticks are somewhat lightweight, which might not be perfect for serious players, but for casual games, they work just fine. One aspect that really impressed me is the adjustable feet. They make leveling the table on any surface a breeze, addressing the common issue of uneven floors that can ruin your game. Plus, the felt brush included in the set helps maintain the table's surface, keeping it in top condition. On the downside, the table might not be suitable for professional or tournament level play, but it's perfect for casual players and family fun. Considering the price, the value you get is exceptional. You get a complete set with everything you need to start playing right out of the box. The table is well built and feels sturdy, which is often a concern with portable models. In summary, the portable billiards table by GoSports is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enjoy pool without needing a full-size table. It's affordable, easy to set up, and offers a great gameplay experience. If you're a casual player or have limited space, this table is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. Alright, let's delve into the American legend 90-inch billiard table with a rustic finish. This table is a true treasure for anyone wanting to infuse their game room or man cave with rustic elegance. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its distinctive K-shaped legs and weathered grey finish. It's more than just a pool table, it's a statement piece. Now, onto the playing experience. The 90-inch playing surface is excellent for competitive play. The black polyester cloth ensures a smooth and consistent game, which is essential for those accurate shots. Plus, it includes all the necessary accessories: 2 cues, a set of balls, a triangle, a brush, and chalk. So you're ready to play right out of the box. One feature that stands out for me is the inclusion of shims for uneven floors. If you've ever played on an unlevel table, you know how annoying it can be. These shims guarantee a stable and level playing surface, which is a game changer. However, some customers have reported receiving damaged or defective parts, which can be quite disappointing. The assembly process can also be a bit of a challenge. It's time-consuming and can be frustrating, especially if you're not particularly handy. And while the table itself is of high quality, the cue sticks and ball set might not meet everyone's expectations. Despite these issues, many customers have praised the table's sturdiness and gameplay. It's a great value for the price, offering a high-quality playing experience and a unique rustic design that adds character to any room. In summary, the American Legend 90-inch billiard table is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a stylish and functional addition to your game room. Just be prepared for a potentially tricky assembly process and consider upgrading the accessories if you're a serious player. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. Alright, let's jump into the Rack 55-inch folding pool table. If you're short on space but still crave a game of pool, this table is a game changer. Its compact and portable design allows you to set it up in your living room, garage, or even a small apartment with ease. And when you're done, just fold it up and tuck it away. Super convenient, right? But wait, there's more! Let's talk about the gameplay. The smooth felt top and rubber bumpers really elevate the experience. You get a consistent bounce and pretty decent playability, which is impressive for a table of this size. Plus, it comes with all the accessories you need. 2 billiard cues, 16 resin balls, chalks, a triangle rack, and even a wooden brush. It's like a complete pool set in one package. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some users have noted that the table is smaller than they anticipated. So, if you're used to a full-size table, this might feel a bit cramped. And there's an aspect you can't ignore. The balls and cues are miniature, which might not be ideal for serious players. But there's a reason why it's so popular. One thing that really stands out is the price-quality ratio. For what you're paying, you're getting a lot of value. It's not a professional-grade table, but for recreational use, it's fantastic. Just don't expect it to hold up under heavy use or in a commercial setting. In terms of setup, it's a breeze. The table comes almost fully assembled. You just need to screw in the middle pocket brackets, and the 1-inch leg levelers ensure you get a flat surface, which is crucial for a good game. So if you're looking for a fun, affordable, and space-saving pool table, the Rack 55-inch folding pool table is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for casual games and family fun. Just keep in mind its limitations, and you'll have a great time with it. Check out the link in the description to see more details and make your purchase. Alright, let's jump into the Rack 7-foot multi-game table. This table is an amazing combination of a pool table and a table tennis top, making it a versatile asset for any game room. The construction quality is outstanding. Its heavy-duty, rock-solid stability ensures the table remains steady during intense matches, which is a huge advantage. I've tested several multi-game tables before, and many tend to wobble or feel unstable, but not this one. The Rack table stands firm, providing a professional feel whether you're playing pool or table tennis. Now, let's discuss the assembly. The table comes with clear written instructions and live customer support, making the setup process simple. I had it ready in about 3 hours with a friend's assistance. However, be ready. It's quite heavy, so you'll need 2 strong people to move and assemble it. Plus, there's a crucial detail: the full set of premium accessories included. From pool cues and balls to table tennis paddles and net, everything you need is included. This saves you the trouble and extra expense of purchasing accessories separately. But not everything is perfect. Some users have reported slight warping of the surface, which can affect the trajectory of slow balls. This can be a bit annoying if you're aiming for precision shots. Also, the table is made of compressed particle board, which might not endure heavy use, as well as solid wood or slate tables. And there's an aspect you can't ignore. Shipping can be a bit of a risk too. A few customers mentioned receiving damaged tables, likely due to rough handling during transit. But the silver lining here is Rack's excellent customer service. They've been praised for being responsive and helpful in resolving issues. Despite these minor drawbacks, the table offers great value for money. The lifetime warranty is a testament to the company's confidence in their product, and it gives you peace of mind knowing you're covered for the long term. In summary, the Rack 7-foot multi-game table is a solid choice for recreational use. It combines quality, versatility, and ease of assembly, making it a great addition to any home. If you're looking for a multi-game table that delivers on performance without breaking the bank, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to learn more.